everyone. I'm Koala teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 12, Adverbs. Adverbs give us more information about the verbs. They tell us how, 어떻게, when, 언제, where, 어디서, and how often, 얼마나 자주. Usually, adverbs end in ly. They usually come after the verb. For example, he smiled. 어떻게? 어느 식으로? He smiled happily. 그냥 smile한 거 아니고 happily. When the verb has an object or a thing, for example, the building, the guitar, the door, the adverbs come after the object. For example, he plays. Our verb is play. Plays what? Plays the guitar. Our object is the guitar. 근데 어느 식으로 치지? He plays the guitar badly. Adverbs can also be used to help describe adjectives. They come before the adjective. For example, the dress is pretty. Our adjective is pretty. 예쁘다. 얼마나 예쁜데? The dress is really pretty. 또는 바지가 너무 길 때 these pants are long for me. Our adjective is long. If we add an adverb, these pants are too long. 너무 길어 for me. We can also have two adverbs. 우리 ly로 끝나는 adverb들 전에 나올 수도 있어. For example, he speaks slowly. Our adverb is telling us how he speaks. So our adverb is slowly. If we want to add another adverb to tell 얼마나 천천히 얘기를 하는지, he speaks very slowly. Or she dances well. 춤을 잘 춘다. Our adverb is well. 얼마나 잘 칠까? She dances so well. Let's look at the spelling rules of ly. 보통은 we add ly to most adjectives. Remember, adjectives describe the noun. For example, bad, careful, honest, loud, soft, quiet. If we change it to an adverb, we need to add ly. 어느 식으로 했는지. So bad would become badly. When an adjective ends in a y, we need to change y to ily. For example, angry, 화나다. Angrily, 화나게. When an adjective ends in a consonant, a-e-i-o-u 아닌 letter, plus le, we need to change the final e, 마지막 e, to y. For example, comfortable, 편안. Change the e to y. Comfortably. But there are some adverbs that are the same as the adjective. For example, early as an adjective is 이른. Early as an adverb is 일찍. Fast, 빠른. Fast, 빨리. Adjective hard, 딱딱한. Adverb hard, 열심히. Late as an adjective is 늦은. Late as an adverb is 늦게. Last, we have adverbs that do not follow the rules. For example, the adjective good would be changed to well in an adverb. So we would not say, she sings good. She sings 어떻게? Well. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 49, the directions say to write the adverb. 보통, 대부분 ly 또는 ily 또는 그냥 y 붙이면 돼. Number 1, we have happy. We need to change the y to I, L, Y. Happily. Number 2, late. 명사로는 늦은, adverb로는 늦게. This one is special because it stays the same. Number 3, loud. Ooh, we need to add ly, loudly. Number 4, gentle. 이가 있어서 이를 빠이빠이 하고 we need to add ly, gently. Number 5, terrible. 여기도 이가 있네. What do we need to do? Say bye-bye to E and add ly. Number 6, hard. hard도 배웠잖아. It stays the same. Hard is hard. Number 7, exciting. exciting에서는 ly 붙여서 excitingly. Number 8, good. This one was an irregular adverb. She sings good가 아니라 she sings well. Very nice. Number 9, noisy. Y to I-L-Y. Noisily. Number 10, ooh, this one was one that does not change. Fast is fast. Number 11, early. 우리 방금도 봤잖아. Early is early. Number 12, busy. Change the Y to I-L-Y. Busily. Can you say busily? Good. Number 13, quick. ly 추가해서 quickly. 빠르게. Number 14, possible. Ooh, we have to say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the E and add ly, possibly. Number 15, slow. Slowly. Great job. In our last question, hungry. Y to I-L-Y. Hungrily. In part B, we need to circle the correct word. The man got into his car quick 또는 quickly and drove away. 어떻게? 빠르게. So we know we need to use an adverb. adverb는 ly가 있죠? quickly. Number 2, they answered the questions 쉽게. easily. Tom walked out of the room. 어떻게? 조용하게. quietly. Number 4, Mary lives in a beautiful house in the countryside 또는 in a beautifully house in the countryside. 아름다운. We're describing the house. What kind of house is it? It's a beautiful house. Beautifully는 아름답게. So we do not need the adverb. Number 5, I sometimes get tired 또는 tiredly after school. 피곤해지다. Get tired. Number 6, he worked real or really hard on this project. 엄청나게 집중해서 열심히 일을 했다. Really hard on this project. Number 7, everyone studied hard 또는 hardly for the test. Hard is 열심히 일을 했다. Hardly, 거의 안 했다, 거의 없다. Good. Hard. Number 8, my dad came home late 또는 lately yesterday. Late, 늦게, lately, 요새. Late. Number 9, our teacher spoke gentle or gently to us. Spoke is our verb. 어느 식으로 얘기를 했지? Gently. Number 10, Amy can speak English very... Do you know the answer? Very well. Good job. Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On page 50, the directions say to write the correct form of the word. Number 1, hard. I think this word is one of those words that don't change. Everyone is trying hard to solve the puzzle. Number 2, late. 이것도 안 바꿔. Did the plane arrive early or late? Late. Number 3, good. The book was really good. You should read it. Number 4, careful. Linda opened the box. 조심하게. 그러면 여기에서는 ly 붙여야 돼. Linda opened the box carefully and took out the vase. Number 5, possible, 가능하다. It's not possible to travel around the world in one day. Number 6, angry. The man is talking on the phone. 화나게. 그러면 Y to IL Y로 바꿔야 돼요. Angrily. Number 7, dangerous. 위험한. Sharks are dangerous animals. And number 8, easy. 쉬운. It was an easy test. Good job. In part D, we need to choose and write. In our word box, we have badly, 나쁘게, hard, 어려운, clearly, 분명하게, really well, 엄청 잘하게, 정말 잘 또는 아주 잘, so funny, 너무 웃긴, too difficult, 너무 어려운, very fast, 엄청 빠르게, very quiet, very fast, 엄청 빠른, very quiet, 엄청 조용한. This math problem is, I need help. 너무 어려워. This math problem is too difficult. Number 2, Mary can sing. Mary can sing 엄청 잘하게. Really well. She wants to be a singer. Number 3, John is, he makes everyone laugh. So funny. Number 4, you are speaking, can you slow down? Oh, slow opposite은 very fast. Number 5, I can see everything. 오, 엄청 잘 보일 수 있네. Clearly with my glasses. We played and lost the game. 잘 못 쳤어. We played badly. Number 7, everyone was in the library. Shh, very quiet. And number 8, the wind is blowing. Woo! Let's go into the house. Hard. 세게, 세게. Good job. Please check your answers and let's go to our last page. On page 51, we will be reviewing lesson 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Ooh. In part A, we need to circle the correct word. Number 1, I like my soft, 부드러운, softly, 부드럽게. What kind of pillow do we have? A soft pillow. Good. Number 2, we stayed up late, 늦은, lately. 요새, last night. Good, we stayed up late last night. Oh no. Number 3, my mom always drives. 조심한, 조심하게. Good, 조심하게, carefully. Number 4, John always has a happy, 행복한, happily, 행복하게, smile on his face. Happy smile. Number 5, my sisters can draw very good or very well. You know this one. Very well. Good job. In part B, we need to choose and write. In our word box, we have correctly, 맞게, easily, 쉽게, nervous, 긴장한, should, 조원, slow, 느린. Children go to bed early. 조원인 것 같은데? Should go to bed early. Number 2. Turtles are animals.
굉장히 느리게 걷잖아.
Slow animals. Number 3. Everyone answered the question. 맞게. Correctly. Number 4. They are getting about the exam. 어떡해. Nervous about the exam. And number 5. Tom is strong. He can lift the heavy box 쉽게. Easily. In our last part, we need to write the correct form of the verb. Number 1. Not go. 오, 안 갔다. Last night은 과거형이어서 we need to use did, but it's a negative. Did not, contraction, didn't, 동사는 그대로, go, didn't go. Number 2, rain. It's very hard outside right now. 지금이라서 ing 사용해야 돼. It, 지금이라서 be verb plus 동사에 ing 붙여야 돼. It be verb는 뭐지? is 그리고 rain에서 ing 붙여서 It is raining very hard outside right now. Number 3, run, 뛰다. We to the bus stop. We were late. Were is past tense. 그러면 동사도 past tense로 만들어야 돼. We run가 아니라 we ran. Good job. Number 4, not wash. Okay. Ted, the dishes yesterday. Yesterday is 과거형. Ted, 그럼 여기 똑같이 did plus not contraction, didn't. 동사는 그대로. Ted didn't wash the dishes yesterday. Ted. Number 5, get up, 일어나다. Liz must early tomorrow morning. Okay. 미래형이지만 we have must. must 뒤에는 동사는 그대로 남기면 돼. Liz must get up early tomorrow morning. Number 6, teach. 가르치다. My dad me how to ride a bike a long time ago. 옛날에. 그러면 과거형이지? My dad teach가 아니라 taught. Good. Taught me how to ride a bike a long time ago. Please check your answers and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala teacher will see you in the next video. Okay?